Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And you see the traffic here, I mean this rush hour, people are leaving their offices, going back home. What amazes me the most is that, yeah, there is traffic and all the auto drivers have uniform. Yeah? All the auto drivers have uniform, and you will see that, yeah, are they like this one here is a uniform for a certain yeah, only the shirt is uniform. So when you see this kind of a shirt here, it shows that they are legitimate, and also the autos are in yellow and green, as you can see over there. There is a yellow, and when you see that one, know that is a commercial auto that you can use, and you can order it using Uber, you can order using Rapido, which is much faster and much more affordable. If you just go regular way and then you pick any auto on your way, I promise you they will charge you double the cost, maybe triple the cost. I know it because I experienced it. So I'm just going to tell you another thing is that in their auto there is this system here, which is a meter. Why is it deactivated? Ashraf, why is it not active? Oh, now it's active. So this one, when it's on, then you're able to know that you really traveled and it costed you this amount of money, and then you can be able to pay it. Otherwise, if you don't see that one, then you know you're going to be paying more than your actual right. People are very obedient. They know the law. They cannot break the traffic law. They know very well that this is a country that's governed by laws. There is too many people here, so you can't afford to be obedient. You can't. Otherwise, you'll be causing chaos if you're not going to follow traffic rules. You know, Ashraf, in my country, when you see traffic like this, maybe this one way, you'll find other motorists getting like shortcuts. Others will coming like this other way and the other way.
This is fine.
Here, if you do that, you're fined, right?
Yeah.
If you do that, you're fined. They know your number and then they will just fine you in your license. You're going to be stopped to use your license.
1,500 rupees.
More 500 rupees.
1,500.
1,500 rupees. Really? And that is a lot of money, right? Yeah. So you can imagine, if you are not going to abide by the rules, then you're definitely going to be fined and penalized. So that's why there is kind of traffic rules that have to be followed. There is also something called nice coordination. I've not seen any traffic police over here since I came.
Traffic police here.
Traffic police?
Yeah.
I have not seen anyone. I think I only see them at night. At night when they are closing their shops. I think the lack of traffic police is because there is systems. You know, when there is nice systems, then you don't need to really, like their cameras, they will capture you doing something wrong, you're automatically going to be fined.
This is an electric vehicle.
This is an electric one.
It's coming one way.
Really? Electric one goes the wrong way? That's crazy. Maybe they will be fined. Yeah. There is also some impatience going on. You always hear the beeping sound everywhere because, you know, people are really tired. They need to go home. They need to meet their families. They need to see that everything is actually working for them. Yeah. And business is everywhere. More so health, you know, construction. We're in the Technopolis, by the way. Bangalore is a Technopolis. When you come here, you know that you're going to find IT solutions. So if you're building a software solution, websites, you can find coders, people who are nice web, designers, software developers, API, all those areas in IT. You can find them here in Bangalore, and because it is an IT technopolis. What I've also realized is that these part of the country, there is a lot of technological advancement in that if you take an auto, there is a payment system that you have, it's localized. If you come with cash, most at times you're going to be asked to pay with your phone. Otherwise, you will not get any change. Let's say you have 500 rupees and your journey was like 200 rupees and you have to pay the auto driver. If they don't have the change, I'm sorry, you'll have to just forgo that money. Otherwise, you start looking around, nobody will give you the change. But if you're lucky, maybe you can find. So an advice I'll give you is that when you come over here, you need to be local. Learn how to be local. Otherwise, you will lose lots of money. You need to get something called like Rapido, which is an app like Uber, or you can have Uber as well. Nam? Yatri. Or same. It's same. It's called Yatri. There's another one called Yatri. When you have it, then you can order, move around, and just pay using the phone. Also, you need to get a local number, so you can be able to do that. These applications do not work with numbers that are not local. Also, the payment system, you need to ensure that you integrate it in your phone, so you can be able to make payments easily, swiftly, without any issues. I'm not saying that there are no ATMs. There are ATMs. You can transact and go do your exchanges or in rupees, and then you can be able to do your movements around. One other thing is that the modalities, technology is so fast over here and so much advanced. So Kenya. You have a friend a Kenyan friend in Saudi Arabia? Many of them? A lot of them or one?
No, lot of them. Only one.
Only one. Your neighbor?
My house, another house.
Nice.
Very good people.
Very good people. Yeah, Kenyans are very jovial people, happy, humble.
She's caring. Every 5 days, 5 morning caring. She's good.
Amazing. Yeah, Kenyans, you have a good reputation outside here. You have a good reputation when you travel outside. You see that many people actually respect Kenyans. What I've also learned is that most Indians, not Indians to be general, but the people that I've seen here in Bangalore are very jovial. They always smile at you. Even you go to buy something, they are always patient because they know they are there to serve you as a client. Yeah, they are there to serve you as a client. Look at that. So, yeah, they are there to serve you as a client. Very jovial, smiling people, supportive. They are friendly. They are not rude at you as somebody who is traveling. The motto? Yeah, food delivery. My auto driver is also saying there is, I think I've seen Zomato and Swiggy. So if you're ordering food, there is also an application called Zomato and another one called Swiggy, which is a food delivery solution. You can imagine the challenges you're going through looking for food, something to eat, and you don't want to eat anything just to find. Also, maybe the place that you are ordering from, it's somewhere far, and you just have to ensure that you order it using delivery applications like Swiggy or Zomato, and they will deliver to you at any time. Yesterday it was raining, and what surprised me the most was that these food delivery people were delivering food even in the middle of the rain. It's raining heavily, but they are going around with their bikes. Oh man, they are unstoppable because they have to deliver the food anyways. Nice malls, beautiful places you can see over here. Rush hour, as I say, it's almost Maghrib time. It's already Maghrib time. 6 p.m. You can see people really moving so fast. Nice development. the name of this street?
Ekesa.
Atessa.
Ekesa.
Atessa. Atessa.
Very tricky time here.
Okay. Nice. Nice development.
Ekesa, Kormangala,
Gormangla.
Indranagar.
This one is Gormangla when you go this way.
Ekesa.
Atessa.
Kormangala, their other state.
Yeah.
Indranagar, other state.
I stayed before in Shivaji Nagar. I stayed in Shanti Nagar. Yes. I stayed in Kormangla. Now I'm staying in Shivaji Nagar again. Yes. Look at this amazing, beautiful board advertisement. Yeah. Domino's. Yeah. Amazing. Busy people just going back home. Time to go back home. All these are gold market. Gold is cheap here, right?
No.
It's expensive. How much for 1 gram? 69 rupees. 69,000. Yeah, that's too much. That's too expensive, brother. Yeah, that's like 1 gram is like $600, right? Yeah, that's quite a lot. It's $700 maybe, I don't know. Just do the calculation. 69,000 rupees, 1 gram of gold. Amazing, very nice, beautiful malls for you to shop. I think I will take you to Commercial Street so you can be able to see how it looks like. Commercial Street is a place where you have lots and lots of businesses owned by mostly Muslims, and I love that thing, you know. I saw it at night and I was really tired, I couldn't record anything, but I'm going to do a short video for you of that place. Nice place, yani. Look, very beautiful. This is Bangalore. I was told Bangalore is used to be a garden city before, right? It has too many trees before. Now they cut them. Now they cut the trees. They cut the trees now in Bangalore too much. Ayo. Yeah, yesterday it was raining. Too much rain. Yeah. Some people they died. So the rain that rained yesterday, some of it caused destruction of property, loss of life. Yeah. It was heavy rain. Oh, let me show you this other side of the street. Beautiful.